Hello my friends, welcome to my video. My name is Mohit and today I'm gonna tell you uh, before going to tell something, I just want to show you something about when you are trying to copy a file from more than 4 GB and you are trying to copying from your machine to your pen drive and it shows a error like it's file too large to copy. So here is I just trying to show you. Okay, we have here is a Windows 10 and we can see the size of this file is 4.37 GB. So what I do, I just try to copy I just copy that file and go to this pen drive and try to paste into my pen drive and because this folder is already existing here, I just delete it from here. Okay, so now I click on this paste option, so you can see it's showing the error, the file Windows 10, it's too large for the documentation file system. So this is the common error. Basically this error arises because of a formatting system of your pen drive. What is that system? Just click on this and go to your property of this pen drive, and here you can see the file system. The file system is FAT32. Because of this FAT32, the file is not copying on your pen drive because it has limitations for not more than 4 GB it will copy to your pen drive. If your pen drive has file system FAT32, it will not allow you to copy more than 4 GB. If you are trying to copy less than 4 GB or between 1 to 4 GB or any less than 4 GB, it will allow you to copy. But if in FAT32 you are trying to copy more than 4 GB, it will not allow you. It will always show that error what I show you earlier. So what we will do, we will change this file system from FAT32 to NTFS. So how we will do, and NTFS will allow you to copy more than 4 GB file. So what I'll do, what processing to convert this file system from FAT32 to NTFS, just go to your on the start button. Here you will find click and type CMD. You need to open your command prompt. Okay, as an administrator, once it searches, click on this, click right button and run as administrator. Once you will click, open your command prompt. And here one command will, you need to write a command which is convert eDrive /fs:/NTFS /no security. So once you just click on this. It will convert your file system from NTFS to, sorry, from FAT32 to NTFS. I'll just put enter. Now it is converting your file system of this pen drive. We'll wait for some more seconds. Now it's almost done. Yeah, now it's completed. So I just show you, just go to this folder and go to the property option, this pen drive. So here you can see your file system has been converted to NTFS. Now it would be able to copy that file to your pen drive. I just open my folder to copy this Windows folder. So I just right click here and copy, and just go to the pen drive and okay. So I'll just click on the paste option. Now it's start copying the file. So this is the process. If you are facing that kind of error on your machine, on your while copying your file more than GB, more than 4 GB, so just follow this process and get the file copied to your pen drive. Thank you.